find the number of strings that can be made using all letters of the word thing. If these words are written as in a dictionary, what will be 87th string? Here two questions are there. The first question is, find the number of strings that can be made using all letters of the word thing. Okay, let me answer for the first one. That word is thing, which has 5 letters. If the 5 letters can be used, there are the possibility 5 factorial. That 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 120 strings. So from this word thing, we can make 120 strings here. This is the answer for the first question. Okay, the second question, if these words are written as in a dictionary, what will be 87th string? This 120 words are written as in a dictionary. What will be the 87th string? That means we want to find the word, 87th word. That string is nothing but the word. Okay, let me find now. See, the word is given thing. So as usual, we should write in the alphabetical order. So how to write this in alphabetical order? G H I N T. Okay, so now we want to take the first letter G. So totally we have 5 digits, 5 letters are there. So we took only one letter now. So remaining we have 4 letters. That words letters are nothing but the same thing, H I N T. These 4 letters we have. This can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. So this 4 factorial is nothing but 24. And then now I want to take this second letter H. Put H here. The remaining letters G I N T. G I N T are here. These 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial. So which is 4 factorial here, which is equal to 24. And then the next letter I. Put I here. Except this I, G H N T. G H N T. These 4 letters can be written as 4 factorial ways, which is 24. This 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, isn't it? So that here we have 24, here 24 and here 24. If we add everything, we will get 72. But we want to find the 87th string. Okay, now we have only 72. So we want to write the another thing also. Suppose if you put the next letter N here, except this N, G H I T, we have 4 factorial again. That is also 24. If we add 24 along with this 72, it will be more, isn't it? So no need to arrange these 4 letters here. We will go on to the next move, that is 3 letter words. Okay, so put N here, and then because we want to find the next letter only here, so this N will be here. So what's the first letter here? G. So put N G. The remaining letters are H I T. So put H I T. So these 3 can be arranged in 3 factorial ways, which is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 6 here. So if we add the 6, we will get 78 only. So we can do one more thing also. So now here keep this N as it is there. After this H, what the letter here have? H. So put H here. So except this H, we have G I T. So put G I T. These 3 can be written in 3 factorial possible ways. So that is 6. So along with this 78, add 6 now. Now we have 84. Okay, so 84. We have one more string there. So we want to write the next one also. So now the next one is the n. Along with this n, write n here. What's the next letter we have to put? First we put G and then H. Now I. So we have to put I here. Except this n and I. What are the remaining letters here? G, H, T. So put G, H, T. Here we want to write only one possibility. So this is the word. Put 1 here. Along with this 84, add 1, that is 85. So this 85th string is nothing but the word night. Night. Okay.